Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create flame in Photoshop. So let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Bajrangbali. So how to create flame in, fire in Photoshop. So the most easiest way. So first of all, take our photo in Photoshop. Then just go to the pen tool. Okay, and before that, create a new layer. And after that, just create a shape like a flame. See, so create a shape like a flame, right? So let's do this once. Okay, it's okay. So now let me create this. Okay, so just let create a the shape like a frame. Then now go to pen tool or else. Okay, first of all go to pen tool and then just click these two path. Don't keep the shape and pixel, just keep this path and then select the layer. After that, just go to filter and come this render option and click this flame. After that, see there is an option, right? So here we have to change some these settings, right? So let's start our this setting. Okay, so it's a length, right? And this is our witness. Okay, and this is our, okay, this is rotation. So let's keep it 0. And this is our fire length height, okay, just this is our randomness. So I want to take this. So see, it's coming, right? After this, just go to selection tool and drag this in downside, like this, right? After this, we have to add some glowiness. So if you want to add some glow, just create a new layer and take the brush tool. After taking the brush tool, select the layer from, the color from your flame only. For this, like this, want to create the glowiness. So just tap this, right? After this, go to fill and just lace it, right? So it will come, right? See, is it cool, right? Then take this layer. If you want to just do some color adjustment, if you guys want to some color adjustment, just select this by hold control and select this, or you guys can hold this and hold one layer and just hold shift and then left click and just control G for group. After this, I'll take here a curve. After this, if I just do, now it's working, right? Okay, let it be. So let me take this. Okay, okay. So now if I take this layer, but it is affecting the whole layer, right? It is affecting the whole layer. But if I want this, then I have to do some clipping mask. So for this, what can I do? I just merge this layer, but I don't want to merge this layer. Okay, so let me take outside this group. Okay, okay, it's working fine, right? So don't worry about this. Just you guys can do what, you guys can do this layer mask. And after this, just fill it right here. Okay, just all delete and select this layer. Okay, after selecting the layer, just swap the color and let only just paint here, right? Just paint in your area. That's it. See how is it cool, right? So that's the way to create a flame in Photoshop in the most easiest way. Okay, so you guys can do many more things, like creating some glowiness here and creating some fire effect in here also. Okay, so it's kind of cool thing. So just take this and try this tool. Okay, it's a very good tool, but I think it's working in the newer version. Just take the older version also, but I am using the newer version of the Photoshop. It's not totally new, but it's a new kind of new version, right? So just, it's an updated version. So use this tool. I hope you guys will like this tool. Okay, so just use this. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others. And thank you. Before ending this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera.